So this is in Kyotango, which is an area in Kyoto Prefecture, and believe it or not, Kyoto does extend to the Sea of Japan, or otherwise known as also East Sea, on the west side of the main island of Honshu. And so like areas in Ishikawa Prefecture, Fukui, and others, and Hyogo, they do have crab, snow crab, generically known as zuaigani. And so we're here to have one of the king of those crabs, Taiza gani. Taiza is a small village in Kyotango. Most of Kyotango is in a peninsula. Before I get into that, this is the private baths. There's a row of them beyond that. If it's available, you can just go in, and if the light is on, it means someone's in there. If it's off, you're welcome to go in. So we're staying at Taiza Onsen Sumihei, a 21-room luxury ryokan, known for serving the famed Taiza crab, which is very high-end a delicacy, even among the red snow crab variety in Japan, as in the case of Hyogo and other prefectures that face the west side. The season is it's not short, but it's from the second week of November until early March, and that's the only time you're allowed to have it. And so Taiza crab it's all the same species, but they have different, supposedly connoisseurs can taste the difference. Before I go into that, so this is a room called Sanzenhou. It used to be the top category room. Again, Taiza Onsen Sumihei is 21 rooms. And the reason it used to be is they're building a new higher category room called Untan, which it's a duplex, 2 units. And then they also have an annex building in an island nearby, which you go by car. It's by the same people who operate this ryokan, but it has its own reception and dining area and everything like that. So anyways, this is the Sanzenhou room. You can see that has very high ceilings. So this ryokan has been around for a while. This area, the crab does stand alongside Echizen gani, which is from Fukui, which is also renowned. And so this is a junior suite style layout, as you can see. This is the bed. This is the living space. Again, it's 78.6 square meters. In Japan, the area includes the deck, so just something to keep in mind. It seems like that's a prevalent thing in Asia. So anyway, so they have a red snow crab course. It's not. They get it from this immediate area, an area of Taiza. Now, Taiza crab, Taiza gani, even if you get it in Taiza, it's not designated specifically as Taiza gani. It's a special brand that is determined by the association or whatnot, and it has to be a certain size, and it has to be flawless in different areas. And I guess the people who know crab can see the difference in quality by just looking at them. And so even by staying here, you have to, they only guarantee one group of guests per night. And you have to specifically ask for the kiwame course, which actually is the actual Taiza gani. Again, it's the same species, caught in the same area, but if it matters to you, I guess there is a rhyme and reason to why Taiza crab is different from the rest. And So they only guarantee it to one group of guests. And so if you try to book it and under the plan, Kiwami course is not available at all. It means someone already got it, and that's it, because they don't get that many per day, just not just here, just overall. So just something to keep in mind. So this is Taiza Onsen Sumihei. This is our first time here. We're excited to try it out. And yeah, this is Sanzenhou, 78.6 square meters. This onsen is, it's not straight from this, direct from the source, from underground. It's, and it is recirculated. So all the accommodations in this area of Taisa get it from one source, and they truck it in. And so I guess that's the only way they can do it. I don't know if they actually tried digging underground or not. But there, look, there's an indoor, outdoor bath. There is a nice view out from here, although there is a power line a little bit in the distance. So anyways, we're looking forward to the crab course. I am personally staying in a room called Kinean, which is a smaller room. I'm going to go take a look at it here. This is for my wife and her mother. All right, Sanzenhou at Taiza Onsen Sumihei. Hope you enjoyed.